Hi, I'm Natasha Antonioni with Austin Life, where we cover real estate, design, and all things Austin. I'm so excited to share this property with you today, Aqua Azul, in the Cuernavaca neighborhood of 78733, because it is my favorite type of project. It is where we actually design the house to be an Airbnb. So here we are at the entry. I love a breezeway. It's an all glass breezeway, so you're getting a little peek into the backyard. So right off the entry is the master. We have this nice spacious room. With an Airbnb, you want to maximize the bed count without making people feel crowded. We have this incredibly fresh, clean, and spacious master ensuite with an oversized closet. If you've been with me before, you know that I love high contrast, and what's more high contrast than black and white? So we have all clean white creams and black hardware in here, which I just love. We have this amazing great room with these high ceilings and built-in shelving. For me, my heart sings and loves to speak to modern meets kind of earthy and a little bit aged. Right off of the main space, we have this fun game room where we'll have a pool table, some darts, a TV for the guys if they want to watch their games. My client had a tenant here as a long-term renter who's a very well-known YouTuber. So I left one piece from when he was living here as kind of the inspiration for the design. They asked when the tenant was here if I wanted the wall vinyl to come off, and I said, let this be the inspiration for the design. It's got the high contrast blacks and whites, and it's got the touch of wood detail. This will be another king size bedroom, but it has views to the garden and the fire area. And then right off of the main space and this bedroom, you get outside to the amazing pool zone. We'll have a little kid space out here and a fire pit right in that backyard area. You want to maximize the usage of the home when you have this many people that can sleep in a house. So we'll put a little sofa sleeper here with a TV for the little ones. They can kind of go sneak into their own space and watch a movie if they want. And then we have 2 bedrooms with a shared bathroom. Each party has their own sink. And then we'll have the 2 trundle beds in here as well. So it could be 2 queens or it could be 4 kids. What is so exciting about this particular home is that it is fresh, it is beautifully designed, and it is a white palette, so I get to go crazy with my creativity. So I'd love for you to meet Robert Hardy, the builder, and your company name is?
Hardy Homes and Certified Homes.
These guys have built over 80 homes just in the Cuernavaca neighborhood. Is there a reason why you like the Cuernavaca neighborhood?
This is just where we've been located. It's where our office
Found your
is.
sweet spot.
It's where I grew up, and my parents live here.
And he did our house, which we love so much. So this home was designed with what in mind?
Well, I designed it with a little bit of the short-term rental idea in mind.
And I have to say, this is one of the favorite homes, except for mine, that that Robert has designed. And I have the idea that maybe it's because his family may end up here one day. Who knows?